Welcome to English Easy Hub. Join us as we ignite the flames of your English learning journey together.
Please subscribe to watch and embark on your English learning journey. Don't miss out on the exciting content. In these three scenarios, Josh, the new marketing assistant, is warmly welcomed by his colleagues. They engage in conversations covering introductions, work responsibilities, personal interests, and upcoming team activities. Through these interactions, Josh quickly integrates into the team, building relationships and expressing enthusiasm for his new role.
Hey, Josh. Welcome to the team. Where are you from?
Thanks, Amy. I'm from New York. How about you?
I'm from Los Angeles. What do you do here?
I'm the new marketing assistant. It's my first day.
Great to have you on board, Josh. How long have you been here?
Just started today. I've been working in marketing for about 2 years now, mainly focusing on digital strategies. Oh, by the way, do you have any recommendations for good places to eat around here?
Absolutely. There's a great sandwich shop just a few blocks away. I'll shoot you the address. By the way, have you had a chance to meet the rest of the team yet?
Not yet. I'm looking forward to it. Everyone seems really friendly.
They are. We're like a little family here. Speaking of which, we're planning a team lunch next Friday. You should join us.
That sounds like fun. Count me in.
Great. I'll make sure to include you in the email invite. By the way, do you have any hobbies outside of work, Josh?
Yeah, I enjoy photography and playing basketball in my free time.
That's awesome. We have a few photography enthusiasts on the team, and we occasionally organize photo walks. You should join us sometime.
I'd love to. Thanks for letting me know.
No problem. We're always looking for new members to join our outings.
Hi, Josh. Mind if I join you?
Not at all. Have a seat, Brian.
Thanks. So, what brings you to our company?
I recently moved here from New York, and I'm excited to be a part of the marketing team. I've got a background in digital marketing, and I'm hoping to bring some fresh ideas to the table. Hey, do you know if there are any local sports teams around here?
Sure thing. We've got a minor league baseball team that's pretty fun to watch. I can grab some tickets for us if you're interested. By the way, have you had a chance to settle into your new place yet?
Yeah, I'm almost unpacked. It's been a bit hectic with the move, but I'm getting there. Thanks for asking. So, Brian, what do you like to do outside of work?
Oh, I'm a big fan of hiking. There are some great trails nearby. You should come with me sometime.
That sounds awesome. I'll definitely take you up on that.
Great. Just let me know when you're free. Oh, and speaking of hobbies, do you play any musical instruments?
Yeah, I play the guitar a little bit. It's something I picked up in college.
That's cool. We have a few guitar players in the office. Maybe we could jam together sometime.
I'd like that. It'd be a nice way to unwind after work.
Absolutely. Looking forward to it.
Good morning, everyone. As you know, we have a new member joining us today. Josh, would you like to introduce yourself?
Good morning, everyone. I'm Josh, and I'm from New York. I've just joined as a marketing assistant. I've been working in marketing for about 2 years now, mainly focusing on digital strategies.
Welcome to the team, Josh. How are you finding it so far?
Thank you, Mr. Smith. I'm really excited to be here. Everyone's been very helpful. Oh, and speaking of which, does anyone know if there's a gym nearby?
Yeah, there's a gym right next to the office building. I go there during lunch breaks sometimes. Josh, if you need a workout buddy, I'm always up for it.
That sounds great, Amy. Thanks for the offer. So, Mr. Smith, what are the upcoming projects that I'll be involved in?
We have a new product launch coming up next month, and your expertise in digital marketing will be invaluable. We'll discuss it more in our team meeting tomorrow.
Sounds good. I'll be ready. By the way, does the company have any social events or team-building activities?
Absolutely. We usually have quarterly team outings and occasional social gatherings. It's a great way to bond outside of work.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to it. Oh, and Mr. Smith, I was wondering if there are any professional development opportunities available within the company.
Definitely. We offer workshops and training sessions throughout the year. I'll make sure to send you the schedule.
That would be fantastic. Thank you, Mr. Smith.
You're welcome, Josh. We're here to support your growth and development.
Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share to keep the English learning journey alive.